Welcome or welcome back. If this is not your first time here, my name is April. This is Plan with April, and today I thought of doing a lavender style theme. I've got some PET tape that I absolutely adore. I've got some stickers that I got off of AliExpress a long time ago. I'm just kind of going through my stash. Since sorting out all of my washi tape, I did find that I have some really cute chickens and of course the purples. I've got my painter's knife out. I call it a palette knife. I did get 2 of the Crayola markers as well as the Tombow 620. I think all of these are going to look really, really pretty together. So my inspiration today is the Hobonichi daily pages. I am really struggling with the daily pages, period. So I thought I would try to be a little bit creative and see if I could come up with a daily pages in my spiral notebook that would be beneficial, that I would actually use, is what I mean. So I am just going to be doing one page today. It is Saturday. We are working in the garden this morning, so as soon as I finish with this, that is where I will be headed, to the garden. Maybe if I can get, there it is. I was gonna say, maybe if I can get this off of here. Ha 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 ha. I'm only gonna peel back a little bit of it just so that I can get it somewhat straight here on the bottom of the paper. I think that is gonna do it, yes. Go all the way to the end. I do like how this looks. The only thing I'm not a fan of, because it's not cut, it's just a strip. So you do have, I don't know if you can see the glare, you do have like this full strip down there. I am going to try and somewhat fix that with my washi tape. So down here at the bottom, I don't think I've ever even used this one. I'm going to go to the top here, and I'm just going to put down a piece of washi tape. It's just going to get rid of some of that PET tape glare and add just another visual layer onto the page. Now, I also have this that I want to use, so I'm going to go across the top. I thought these were absolutely stinking adorable. Little chickens. How has everybody been? How was your week? Did it fly by? Was it amazing? I hope it was amazing. I'm gonna fold this in half. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to take my ruler and I am going to separate out this side here. And I think I'm going to use my Tombow marker. I'm going to use the bullet point side here. And I'm just going to draw a line down just like that. And then I could do one of two things. I could use some more washi tape, or I could do headers with my Tombow. I think I'm going to do more washi tape. So I think I'm going to take this light lavender and I'm going to go in here. Well, am I? Let me think about this. I could absolutely do that, or let's do this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an oval. I could do similar things to what I've done in the past, or I could switch it up a little bit for you. And I think I want to switch it up a little bit for you. I feel like sometimes I go back to the same old things every single time, and I don't really need to do that. So I'm going to wait for this to dry a little bit. The Tombow marker is a pretty juicy marker. It does put a lot of pigment down on the page, and this notebook paper is pretty toothy, so it does absorb quite a bit of that. I debated on whether or not I was going to use a purple or violet colored pen, but I'm just going to stick with my black Pentel. Why do I always call it Pentel? It's not a Pentel. It's a Pen and Gear. It's a 0.7. I got them at Walmart. They're in a 2-pack for 88 cents. It is my favorite pen for quite some time now. Like, I have not found another pen that competes with this one in my pen inventory. And if you've been here for a while, you know I have a pretty large pen inventory. So over here, I am going to put schedule. Just like that. And then in the Hobonichi dailies, it does have 24 hours. I don't use 24 hours. I'm asleep for some of that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do this every 2 hours, because that's, well, should I do 2 hours? I'm trying to think of a realistic, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I could do an 18-hour block. I'm still going to have time where I'm sleeping, which is, you know, sure. But if I wanted to block it out appropriately, let me grab my Muji 0.5 just to get a smaller text right off the bat. So let's do 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I always feel like the count off of Sesame Street. So that puts us from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. And I did do military. You could totally do other standard time if you wanted to. I do military time at work, so it's common for me to do it at home as well. So in here, I've got 4 a.m. to 9 p.m., which is actually pretty good. I usually wake up around 5:30 and I'm usually in bed by 8. So that is a good amount of time to track in here. So I like this. And then over here, I want to do a couple of different like things to track. So I'm going to start up here at the top again with my Tombow marker, and I want to do, how do I want to do this? I think what I want to do, I was thinking I could either split it into 2, or I could use this side as my thoughts. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this now that that is dry, and I'm going to go back in here, and I'm just going to do another line just to make that a little more bold. So let me pop into here. Since I am going to use this whole side for journaling, I want to see what kind of stickers I have to work with. These are all transparent. They all come in like a little set on that come in this little packaging. I had originally thought about, you know, just doing a few of these, popping them down, but I want to see, I kind of want to see what is included in this kit. Oh, I love that. I always love a good banner. I'm a sucker for a good banner. Okay, I've got some little, those are cute. I like that one in the pot. Okay, there's actually quite a few cute little stickers in here. I've got some yellows. I think on some of them they'll have a pop out in the center so that you can use those. I like both of those. They kind of go together. Yes, these are actually really, really cute. Really, really cute. I like this lavender better as far as like the lettering goes. Yeah. Love the little heart, love the bow. Oh, a little macaroon. That's adorable. Okay, so let me, if I don't put them away now, they're going to be scattered on my desk all morning. So let me put them back in here. Tidy up my desk as I go. Do I want to do that one here? I could totally, no. I was like, do I? No, I don't. I do not. Okay. So let's put down this little, let's do the lavender first, because I do want to put that on the bottom. I think that'll be cute. The secret to getting these off of here, I don't have one. I try to get the ridge of my fingerprint to grab the paper. It's so thin, and the plastic is so thick that it's sometimes a bit of a challenge. So I'm just going to pop this down here. Love it. Squish it down a little bit. Make sure it's stuck. Since I know I'm probably not going to be up until 10 or 9, I can finagle that. Gently peel this off. Perfect. And I could either go right in the center, but I don't really care for that. I think I'm going to go almost to this edge, and then I am going to, do I do all the way up? I sure could. Sure could. Perfect. Let's put this heart. I feel like we just need a pop of something over here. Since I know I'm not going to be getting up at 4, we'll pop that down there. And then let's do, I like this one. It's a good size sticker. And let's put it right down here. And then when we're journaling, when we're writing, we'll just write around that. I like that. I like that a lot. And then let's put this one, peel that off of there. There we go. I'm wondering right now if I picked purple because of my nails. Like, was that a subconscious thing that I was like, oh, my nails are purple. Maybe I should do a lavender layout. Could very well be. Power of suggestion. Okay, let's pop that one down there. I really like this. I like this a lot. So the only thing that is truly missing is, what day am I planning for, right? Like, as we're looking at this spread, we've got a schedule, and then we've got a bunch of open space, and I could take one of my permanent markers and write down here what date this is going to be, like Saturday, June, I don't even know what today is, June 8th. So I could do just June 8th. I could also do, you know, it right here. I don't know that I would like it though, because I really just want to keep that open for journaling. So let me go down in here. This is the Pilot Ultra Fine Point. So let's just write in here, we'll do Saturday. Saturday, June 8th. I like that. I think that looks really pretty. I do love the lavender color. I think that looks amazing. And I use things from my stash. So I didn't buy anything new for this. I used what I had from the Tombos. I know I didn't do a whole lot with these guys, and I probably will once I start journaling and filling in the schedule. I'm gonna cough. Excuse me. So once I do that, when we do the flip through for the whole month of June, you will be able to see how this was filled in and how I used the additional markers and maybe even some more of the washi tape. We'll see. So I'm excited to share this with you. Let me know down below what you think of the lavender layout. And if there's a layout you want to see, like if you're currently in a Happy Planner dashboard or an Erin Condren teacher, or you're in the Hobonichi weeks and you're like, I'm really struggling with how I want this to look. Like, I haven't found my perfect layout yet. If that is the case, let me know down in the comments what exactly you're struggling with. And maybe I can come up with a rough like layout in a spiral notebook for you that you can use instead of being in your current planner, and we can just kind of play around with layouts and ways you can use the pages that are already pre-printed for you a little bit differently so that they fit your style and they fit what you need your planner for. Because I think one of the most important things is making your planner work for you, not working to make your planner work. So if you're struggling or you're new to planning and you're looking for specific layouts and you have certain things that you want to be able to track, but you're not you're not sure how to get them all in the format that you're using, comment down below. And comment down below for anything else. I always love interacting with you guys. I'm really glad you're here, and I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.